Welcome to North Alabama Dumpsters LLC, your trusted source for dependable, cost-effective roll-off dumpster in Guntersville, Alabama. At North Alabama Dumpsters LLC, we understand that one size does not fit all when it comes to dumpsters. That's why we offer a comprehensive range of dumpster sizes to cater to various project needs, whether you're tackling a home renovation, a construction endeavor, or a classic cleanup. Our dedication to top-notch service is evident in our adaptable and professional team. We take pride in our ability to adjust to changes in your project timeline, ensuring that you can rely on us for your waste management needs, no matter the circumstances. At North Alabama Dumpsters LLC, we ensure proper waste disposal and actively participate in recycling efforts, allowing you to contribute to a cleaner, greener future with every roll-off dumpster in Guntersville, Alabama. We believe in transparency when it comes to pricing. Our dumpster rental rates are competitive and clearly outlined, so you know exactly what to expect. There are no hidden fees or surprises, just straightforward and affordable pricing for your waste management needs. For your hassle-free waste management solution, call us at 256-931-5300 or visit our website at www.northalabamadumpsters.com. Dumpster Rental Guntersville AL to book your dumpster today. Discover the North Alabama Dumpsters LLC difference, where efficiency meets excellence.